Hey there everybody, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to record your Xbox from Windows 10 using OBS and the Xbox app. So without any further hesitation, let's jump into it. Alright everybody, so as you can see I've loaded up the Xbox app and essentially I've connected my Xbox One S to the computer obviously, and what you want to do is click stream once you've connected your Xbox, and well, essentially this is what happens. Okay, so unfortunately I ran into some issues, but it's all sorted now. So essentially I'm on Watch Dogs 1 and skip, and well, just watch what happens, innit? There we are, so Watch Dogs is loaded in, and well, I'm recording on dice, so there we are. That's how it's done. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to record videos from your Xbox with OBS using Windows 10 and the Xbox app. If this video is of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Leave the video a thumbs up and share it to have it rank in search results to help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.